Hello, good morning students. Children, when we have water, the purest form of water is rainwater. Rainwater or the water coming down in the form of glaciers or when it is moving down the stream as rivers or maybe the lakes and the ponds and whatever it is. We have water where there will be some mud particles everywhere. Now when we all drink river water, okay, but we clean it. But when the river, these things will be there will be mud, there will be sand, there will be some shells which I have collected from my ground. Now when there will be rainfall, the water will go inside the ground and that water only I will take it out and drink or whatever domestic purpose I use or for industry. But can I use this water? Because this will remain not the purest form of water. So just see what I do. I take these mud particles and drop it here. I take this all and drop it here. There will be mud, there will be all sort of sand, silt, other maybe some gravels and all that in the water, and water is moving, okay, so it is carrying all these things. Now what we do that when we are drinking or using the water in the purest form, we allow the water to deposit at the bottom to form sedimentation. This process is called sedimentation. What is sedimentation, children? Sedimentation is the settling down of impurities is known as sedimentation. What is sedimentation? The settling down of impurities. There will be impurities in water. We allow it to settle down. We allow the sediment to settle down. Okay? Just show you, we have to wait, children. We have to wait for some time because it is settling down. Okay. So sedimentation, it's a process. Sedimentation is a process which insoluble heavy particles in a liquid are allowed to settle down at the bottom of the container. Okay. So these are insoluble. As you can see, had it been sugar or salt, it would have dissolved. But now, till now, it has not dissolved. Isn't it? This mud and you have sand and gravels and rock, they have not dissolved. Okay, so what is the problem? Because they are insoluble. So we have to make it settle down, okay, at the bottom and allow it. This process is called sedimentation. This process is called, children, sedimentation. Okay. Allowing the thing to settle at the bottom. Here you have the water. Even this also, when I had shown you about the tea leaves, see the tea leaves have settled down at the bottom. So this process is called sedimentation, where we allow all impurities to settle down. Next we will do decantation. Okay, that I will show you in the next module. Thank you, children.